In this video, I'll show you how to travel back in time with Google Maps. Firstly, go to your web browser and navigate to Google and type in Google Maps and click on the first link. In the search bar, type the name of the location you want to explore. For this tutorial, let's use Los Angeles. Zoom into the map until you see streets clearly and drag the yellow Pegman icon from the bottom right corner and drop it on a street in the desired area to enter Street View. You'll now be able to view Street View mode, where you can look around and move along streets. Look at the top of the left corner of the screen. You'll see the date of the current Street View image. Click on the date to open a timeline available Street View images for that location. In some locations, you can scroll through different dates and view how the areas has changed over time. Click on See More Dates to expand the timeline and view all available historical images. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.